from Live Well Herb Gardens. Came out to pull some weeds this morning. This is from my front yard, in addition to the film before. There's the active one happening right now. All around town. My camera can't even take it all in. Feathery stuff. I'm watering, pulling weeds, doing laundry. Hang out my laundry in a little bit here. All this stuff, isn't time for all this stuff to come down on me. Out right over my house. Right now, right today, this very moment. 10 a.m. August 4th. Bye, UPS. A little bit of the garden, echinacea, the lavender. Just trying to keep it real around here.